Okay, so you guys may see, right, how the resumes works, right? Suppose for every job, so all your things doesn't work. You need to prepare each and every resume for the different one. So suppose, let me go to my file. Okay, see, if you guys see my resume pattern, what I did, see, so I have created all my resumes. See, for healthcare, okay, for 10 plus years, for ETL, for Cyprus, for whichever company I want to send it, like a business consultant. See, I have all my resumes inside. Okay, still I have another data management key if they ask. Okay, and any PR copy or any DL, you have to be handy with you. Like suppose this is my DL for here. So what I did, so I just mark all the information so that whenever they ask, we need to send it to these folks, right? So you have to be handy with all your resumes. So suppose I'm going to work for, I need to submit, suppose this is our openings. So this is my Java full stack. So the minute you got your Java role, okay, they are asking for some requirements like see your key responsibilities, full stack developer with Angular, okay, and the work closure. So if you don't know how to create your resume, take this title, okay, or else you can say build resume. Just paste this. Don't do anything. Okay. So your cover letter is ready now. Your resume is ready. Just take it, just paste it in the document. So now see, this is not a complete sufficient for me. Still, I want to know some of the skills which are has to be highlighted in this. So one is let me see anything they're talking. AWS. Okay, so let me take anyone the real interview how any people are asking something, so I want to go for the some example. Okay, so suppose recently I got something. Okay, okay, let's see the any key job. Got any key. Let me take some key jobs. Okay, see, this is the quality developer they're asking, so they need this quality. She's looking for, okay, yeah. Okay, so this is my technical lead mobile automation. Okay, now what I need to do, go to ChatGPT, build a professional resume for technical lead test automation. Okay, here what and all we are going to say. Let's see how it works. Okay, actually we should not give this much big, but I know, but sometimes ChatGPT can understand what exactly we needed. Okay, so now objective, you're highly leading into that, and you can add your professional, like which company you are working currently. You need to add that. Okay, which year you started. So there, what is your responsibility? See, now this is more talking about automation effort ensuring. So you need to provide your project name. So the rest of the piece is same. Okay, and here just you need to give the project what you are working. The rest of the piece matter is same. So the other role is you worked as a mobile test engineer. Okay, so like you can add, so create resume for 5 years, Java, Selenium, Cucumber, PTT, SQL, and API testing. Professional resume with 3 companies. Now it started creating for three companies. You guys able to see?
Yes.
So suppose if somebody asking, hey, I don't see your skill set in this resume, so how I can process? That is what they will ask. But see, whatever I provided, everything is talking. BDD, rest assured, validating request, executing manual test cases, SQL. So just simply, just take this piece, entire piece, okay? Take any window, Notepad, Word. So there are some resume formats. Maybe you can take some resumes also. If you click a new, it will give you, yeah, resume pattern if you want to take something. So you can take. So this is one type of, if you want. So this is my data now. Okay. So all my data is ready now, right? So for objectives, okay, experienced. You take this. Now, if you want to process this resume, you can go. If you want to do some customizations, like what is your objective and all, just to put all your stuff here. You can use this kind of resumes. So instead of education, just write your copy that you can objective here. Okay. Let me put it in. So this is okay. So reduce the font size 10, 9. See, your objective is ready. Control B. Okay, put your photo, something, whatever you want to highlight. So this is what the way you need to do, because you got the content, what you need to put. Okay, what are the programming languages, certifications, everything. So how you're aligning your resume is up to you, but here is the content for that resume. Okay, so you need to utilize this chat GPT while submitting your profile. So suppose for everything, if I'm submitting the same resume, it doesn't create any effective, right? So I have a one latest resume, but they're talking about the mobile test automation, and my resume will talk about general. But how it is matching with their requirement, right? Because nowadays nobody is going to take look your profile. So everything is done by ATS portal. So for ATS portal, usually it will see all these keywords are worked in your project or not. So now suppose I want to take this Bitbucket. Okay. Now let me check whether this Bitbucket is there or not. See, primary skills, Bitbucket is there. So that means, okay, this candidate is already worked on the Bitbucket. But in our case, we may forget to add this keyword, key skills. Definitely, the ATS portal will reject it because it's not matching with their requirement. That's why they will close it. So that's why, see, I got many people that, okay, see why my resume is not picking. I'm not getting any call from anybody. Why you are not getting? Because your resume is not up to the mark. See, this is the requirement. Okay, let me go to my resumes. Okay, see, this is my resume. So I just want to take of any one, Cypress one. Okay. Okay. So this is my resume. Okay. For your understanding, guys, I just provided my LinkedIn, everything. Okay. So now Control F. So usually what they see, Bitbucket. See, I don't have any Bitbucket in my resume. Do you think is it valid for them to process for the next level? No. My resume is completely failing. Whatever you have matter, that is for only for the respective piece. But your resume is not talking anymore in this. So that's why our you won't get any call from anybody, because nowhere it's talking about your skills here. So that's why you have to be very clear while sending your resume. Make sure that everything has to be documented in your resume. Okay. So if it is not there, you need to provide in your resume that wherever you need to fit those things. Suppose you worked on that, okay, I use the Bitbucket to commit my Git repos, or else you need to analyze more. You need to provide all the pieces in the key skill summary. Just directly copy those things and you need to paste it in the resume. So your resume will talk all the information, whatever they are looking. Okay. So for every job, JD, it's not a similar to everybody. Okay, so every JD has a different unique requirement for them. So depends on their requirement. You need to process according to their requirement. You got my point? What I'm trying to say, guys?
Yes.
So, so going forward, if somebody asking, you have to spend at least 5 to 10 minutes about their JD. Okay, if you think your resume is good, but still you need to add these pieces in the chat GPT and try to get some project information. So wherever you have some content which is not relevant, remove those lines and put the chat GPT the new data. Like suppose they're asking for these things. Okay, try to copy this, put it. Okay, so this is the primary I'm looking. Still go to chat GPT, ask resume for below skills. How you are utilizing your chat GPT is completely up to you people, guys. See, utilize Jenkins, Git, and continuous integration, various control facilitating. See how they have reform sentence. So then they will get to know. Okay, they have utilized. Wow, that's amazing. Because these people are using Bitbucket Git. Okay, she's already familiar with this. Oh, in the previous project also somewhere she worked. Okay, in the current project you are already working. So that's a good thing for them, so that they can process it because you are already in the lead role. So this is giving you the solid information. Just copy this data. If I'm your case, what I will do, I will go into my project. I will go to my resume. Okay. I'm ready to change my resume whenever they're asking something. See, my project is this one. See, this all these data is doesn't need required for them. Okay. So what I was trying to do, let me remove all this. Okay. Then paste it. Then use this. Go to format painter. Just see, clear now.
Yes.
Now it will go in a very effective way because all skills are matching with my current project. So definitely 100% they will select your profile. So that's the mistake everybody is doing, guys. So you have to be very clear how to do these things. Okay. I want to take another session because the people are not high today. So yeah, even for interview also, I want to tell something, but still people are not ready today. I know. How many people joined today? Chinna Mohini. Oh, okay. So as of now, you guys are clear what I'm trying to say?
But it is like if I'm using my chat GPT, and if Chinna is using his chat GPT, if the results are same, then the resume will be same, right? Then how
Not
they
same because you are not copying the same similar, right? You have already some piece of your resume. So inside you are fitting another combinations. So see, you are working on Bitbucket. I'm also working on the Bitbucket. There is no harm to keep the same utilizations, right? So instead of utilizations, okay, strong experience into the Jenkins and all. Write something, change the little sentences here. But your content is same, na? Because you are not writing any pieces here. Even though if you keep this information, it's not same. Chennai is applying in some other provenance, you are applying in other provenance. Do you think your company, whatever you are applying, Sinha also applying in the same company? Then only these kind of things will come. But it's very rare piece. Nobody will go and see what they will compare you and there, right? Nobody will do. Though nobody have that time to do. Because this is done by ATS portal. ATS portal will check only these things. If I say, if I enter, if I save my profile, if I upload in my skill set, usually it will give you how much percentage my resume is matching with them. So they never see whether you written validated or a strong exposure. So these things they never care. Okay, they will check only for the keywords. That's it.
okay.
Okay? So you have to be very smart. That's what I'm trying. See where I copied. I'm talking about all these things, and inside I just added this piece. So I never directly put all my these removed and I just directly not pasted this information. You guys clear now? I just took this data, go to this. I'm just adding into the from here. I just added. So whatever my resume will talk, this is talking here. From here, I just highlighted the new piece. See, this is the new piece here.
In resume, there was no flag like that.
No,
Okay.
no black.
Flag, plagiarism. They can't track the any plagiarism. They have
No,
copied
you
from
are not
someone.
doing any plagiarism, right? You are not doing anything. See, they are talking about the still not done this one. They are talking about the automation framework project. You need to elaborate your project inside. I can't directly copy and paste. See, this is means you need to write. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's in that. Yeah.
using, yeah, Java with Selenium along with, because you need to work something. Then only you know completely about your resume.
Yeah,
Then somebody is asking, say Selenium with Cucumber BDD, also used page object model.
we should create a LinkedIn new profile or something we are using older one. That's the okay to this
My
part.
recommendation, always try to keep one or two to three LinkedIn accounts for safe hand. Okay, so try to send all the requests. Like suppose if you see my accounts, I have, so
Connections.
okay,
Yeah.
always try to create LinkedIn. Like suppose a person name called uh, some ABC. Okay, so AB and C is my last name. Okay, ABC some name. So keep your name in a relevant name. So suppose Satya Sekar, Satya S. Okay, Satya SCKHA, Satya SS. So these are my LinkedIn profiles.
Okay.
So your main account will be there. So you're applying directly to the client directly. You can use your LinkedIn directly because you're sending right away. But if you want to try some parallel jobs, okay. See, I want to try one job which is completely into the automation, but I'm strong in Java. But I want to try a Java profile as well. So for Java, you can create another LinkedIn account, and there you need to maintain all the Java relevant exposure into that LinkedIn. So whenever they ask Java related, just give the Java LinkedIn so that they will go to your LinkedIn to see all your professional summary. When they want something automation, just go to there and give your automation stuff there. So that way you're matching both, right?
They're asking, all are asking like that, like 10 years experience, 12 years experience. We don't have that much of experience.
No,
That's
see, I never, I agree your answer. It's very, okay. Nobody will ask, if everybody need 10, 20 years experience people, then how the other people work in the company, right? As a company, everybody need a people. Like suppose if I open my LinkedIn, okay, okay. So my recommendation always, you people have to send people. See, this is my resume, okay? This is one resume I have, okay? If you go another resume, see, H&SS solution. This is my another resume. Okay, so here, whatever I'm doing, I'm doing. So here, I just added my new company as a director, and here is my director role. Okay, so if I go here, this is my lead engineer role as that. Okay, currently where I'm working. See here, I just added all my resume. So this is my resume. If somebody wants to download, I directly recommend them to download from here. So here is my West Canada. It's my Wells Fargo. Where so in Wells Fargo, I got some appreciation like assistant vice president where I was working there. So I got some. So whichever you got it, everything you need to upload. So I'm a Six Sigma certified. So I just added this Six Sigma when I was in Honeywell. Okay. And also this is my Employee of the Year award. I just added this from Honeywell side. So you need to create all your, because this will talk more. And same time, see, this is all my experience where I worked. Okay. See, from each year where I worked, everything. So they will go and see. If you have a three companies, put three companies. So 3 years doesn't mean that, okay. So now another thing. So always try to ask nearby people get the recommendations. Okay, see for my recommendations, whoever written. See, he's the CEO of the company, Microsoft. Okay, not CEO, I mean manager of the Microsoft. He has own company, CEO of Invenia Foundation. This guy is accessibility. See, if I open, see, I got all these recommendations from people. See, he is a Vikas. He is a project manager for Honeywell.
in that
Okay.
profile. They will ask that as we work or not. They,
No, references. These are the
yeah.
references. Like okay, I take the references from this guy. Okay. So they
Okay.
will go and check this guy, where this guy is working and all. Okay. See, he's accessibility lead for Walmart. Okay. I recommend, I requested people to provide some recommendations because I work with these people. So this guy is from a Qualcomm manager. So Satya provided a QA support for one of the application which I managed at the previous organization. He was a diligent and focused on a good team member. So this can help them. So he's a project manager at Microsoft now. So this guy Satya is very detailed oriented, focus in the person. So you people can request if somebody okay, I need some recommendations, you can do recommendations. So it's not that everybody will go into the process. Some people will keen into your profile, and then they will go LinkedIn. So maintain, see, I give a recommendation to people. Okay, so like other people also still there. So all people. So Mahesh, see, Satya is a good team member. When I work with Mahesh in Wells Fargo, I return. So now guys can take each other. Like you can take Mohini recommendations. You can send it to me. I can Mahesh also can send it to all people. Have a different organizations. We will give you some recommendations. So he is, see how everybody has given recommendations on my profile. So when it comes to jobs, you said you asked me for, everybody is asking for 10 years. No? Okay, so now I want to look for something. I want to look for jobs. Yeah, 5 years, example. Okay, here you can apply experience level. You are looking for associate or entry level. Okay, or middle layer. Okay, so 33. See, now whatever you're seeing, everything will come for only limited experience. Okay, they are looking for 5 to 6 years or 4 years. Based on your query, see, all my results came. See, so many profiles are there. They're just looking for 3 to 5 years experience. Nowhere they haven't mentioned that I need 10 years. No. So this is where you need to apply from through LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn process. See, quality assurance specialist. They are not talking about senior guy. They are not talking about anybody. See, clear now? So that is where we need to apply. So which company you want to see? So how remote or hybrid or on-site? Okay, how much salary you are expecting? Which date you posted, anytime or recent past 24 hours. So you need to work on these cases. And if you go to Indeed or Monster, okay, Indeed.ca. If you go to Indeed, see, this is my, now if I want to use my Google, just use it. I have 3 accounts in the same platform. Okay, so I just search directly QA, 4 years experience. That's it. So senior quality assurance. Okay. 5 years. That's amazing. No? You're getting all the jobs. See, 6 years. Okay, try only for, see, here also we have a different job types, full time or pay. Just type QA jobs. Nobody will say we need 10 years people or 10, 15 years. No, doesn't need. See, QA software, QA director, intermediate QA analyst. So this is fitting into your role. Apply. Okay, so now they are talking about all the skills. Okay, so take this content, go to ChatGPT. So until unless you are not smart, no, you can't play game in the market, guys. You have to play game. Okay, take this data wherever you have some other things, or delete some lines and add these new lines for this particular resume. So just maintain this. See how many resumes I maintained. Just only for one profile I'm talking this. You need to maintain even 20 resumes in your, whoever asking something relevant, just apply that. See, this is my healthcare. This is my functional. Even I have other things also. I have many resumes. So many things I have. So I will maintain each and every folder for different resumes in my, whenever somebody asks, then I will change my resume and I will send it to them. Then definitely I will get a call. I have 100% strong that I will get a call because I'm working specific to their requirement. I'm not directly sending like, okay, I'm throwing my resume to your face, so you take care. No, nobody will do. Everybody is busy with their work, right? Nobody will do. So you have to take 10 minutes to understand their JD, then only you can able to proceed for next level. See, this is what they're asking. They need a Montreal key full time. Okay, what they're asking, Git and Bitbucket, secondary skills, roles and responsibility. Take all this data, put it there and apply for these people. Okay. So then see they're asking for 8 to 10 years. So you need to put a key a team technical lead for 8 to 10 years with the primary skill this. If you add these things in chat GPT, you will get it. So today this is the session, guys, and I hope you people are practicing automation and functional, right? No challenges so far from anybody.
No, we are
Okay.
practicing. Yeah.
Yeah, so still practice, guys, and we can stop today. Then we can end this because I know it's a Friday, right? So I want to
Okay.
give everybody time. Yeah,
But references we can search in the
Refer-
LinkedIn references. We can I can keep to like Mahesh and you.
yeah. Ask for recommendations. How to
Yeah.
send for recommendations? You search
Okay.
Google and you will get it. How to do through LinkedIn? They will give you steps. A request for recommendations from everybody, your friends, your family,
Okay.
outside people. Write recommendations about me. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's why we are ending, Suma. We are good today.
Thank you, Satya. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank